Hi, my name is Khai, and this is my video about my family. My family, Zhang or Teoh family, originates from China, where my grandfather lived as a farmer. He lived there peacefully until one day war broke out between the Chinese and the Japanese. That was when he decided it was time to immigrate. My grandfather immigrated to Penang, Malaysia in the early 1930s. There, he started to earn a living selling cha hao fan or cao he fan, a type of traditional Chinese food that is still sold today. He worked hard and got many customers, and one day he even found himself a pretty lady who just so happens to be my grandmother. After they got married, my grandmother would help my grandfather sell this cha hao fan regularly. We had a happy life and even had 6 children. My first aunt, my second aunt, third aunt, fourth aunt, fifth aunt, and finally, my father. As a young boy, my father worked very hard, helping my grandfather and studying at the same time. When he was a teenager, he was the first in our family to go into high school because of our economic status at the time. He even got the chance to study university at Utah and graduated as a quantity surveyor. After he graduated, he found jobs as quantity surveyors for many major companies, such as Sunway. Similarly to my grandfather, my father also met my mother at his workplace. They got married soon and had 2 children, my sister and me. As a child, I grew up in good care of my parents. I went to kindergarten and primary school. As a teenager, I went to high school and joined many activities. After I graduated, I went here to Taylor's University. And as an adult, well, I don't know yet, because I'm not an adult, but I'll find out soon. And I'll see you in the future.